In Hyderabad, we are very much obsessed with biryani. We make many kinds of biryani, but nowadays the very popular thing is boneless biryani, in which they make a preparation like chicken 65 and the biryani is just loved by everyone. Even though I have tenderized the chicken breast by putting in brine water, that is salt water, for 3 hours, giving it a little bit of beating will make the chicken even more tender. Cut the chicken breast into medium size so they are perfect for this kind of biryani. For this kind of chicken biryani, we are going to do a chicken 65 kind of marination. First, add a little bit of salt, ginger garlic paste, crushed pepper, red color. We add this red color to give that nice look. Now the people are used to this color. Without this, they won't get that kind of feeling. Add chili powder, finely chopped curry leaves, finely chopped green chili. In this, we're going to add a little bit of coriander powder, cumin powder and a little bit of garam masala. And we're going to add a little bit of MSG because this MSG gives a kind of nice flavor. If you want to add it, you can add it. And mix all of this chicken well. And now, if you have brought the fresh chicken and doing this, marinate it for at least 3-4 hours. If you have brined the chicken, you can go ahead and do it in next 15-20 minutes. Since this is a boneless chicken biryani, we have to get the best flavor by using chicken stock. So we're going to make a chicken stock in which we're going to cook the rice, which will make it very, very delicious. I have added mixed vegetables and chicken bone along with whole garam masala like bay leaf, peppercorn. And also you can add some crushed ginger and garlic, and you can use any trimmings of the vegetables to bring the best flavor in the stock. Making biryani, especially the rice, is an art. And I'm going to show you a very easy method. In a pan, I have taken some oil and add whole garam masala. To this, add thinly sliced onion and add a little bit of salt and saute it till it gets slight coloring. In this, you can add ginger garlic paste, green chilies, and also strain the chicken bones and add the stock to this onion. Now, for 1 cup of rice, you got to add 2 cups of chicken stock. Now bring this to a boil, but the most important thing is checking the salt content in this liquid. So when this is perfect, your basmati rice will cook perfectly and perfect taste. Make sure you have soaked the basmati rice for 30 minutes to get the best results. On top of this, add some mint leaf and chopped coriander. Put a lid on and cook it on a slow flame. Time to cook the chicken. So you can also deep fry this chicken, but using a non-stick will give very good results. Just use a non-stick. If you want to sprinkle a little bit of salt prior to adding chicken is also fine. And make sure you arrange the chicken pieces so that they don't stick to each other, and cook well on both the sides. And cooking for 7 to 8 minutes will do. Move the chicken pieces on one side, add curd, and in that add salt and the leftover spices like the coriander powder, chili powder, pepper powder, and whatever we used for the chicken masala you can add in this and mix it well. Adding some more mint leaf and chopped coriander also will enhance the taste. Now keep the chicken pieces separate, and this entire curd mixture, mix it well and put a lid on it and let it also cook on a slow flame. By the time you add these chicken pieces to the biryani, the chicken should be 95% cooked. Very carefully and delicately mix the rice. This act of aeration will make your rice nice and fluffy. On top of this, we're going to add some saffron water and the cooked chicken pieces with all these masalas. Where else can you enjoy this kind of best biryani? Only at home. Mix these chicken pieces and add on top of the rice. Now switch off the flame, put the lid on and let it rest for another 5 minutes. In the heat, the chicken pieces will also get perfect taste. And because we added chicken stock, the rice will give an excellent aroma and no other biryani can be tasting this good. The serving of this rice is a delicate act, so do it very carefully. The best gift in the world is the tastiest food, and you can give yourself